What if I tell you you can book customers automatically on WhatsApp even while you are sleeping? No calls, no manual replies, and no misleads. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a smart booking bot for any business step by step without writing a single line of code. And to demonstrate this, I have created a dummy chatbot based on event alert system, something that works insanely well for grabbing attention and driving instant responses. Now, here's where the magic happens. The moment I send this highly converting event update template message to the user, it immediately creates a curiosity, urgency, and engagement. And as soon as I have clicked on this book now button, then it asks me to select the ticket type with one option in the form of list. Once I click on it, it will provide the types of tickets. Let's say I want to purchase a VIP ticket, so I am selecting this option. Then bot asks me for my full name. So I sent my full name as a smart user. Then it will ask me for my email address. Once I send it, it says that almost done. How many tickets would you like to book? So let's say I want to book 4 tickets. Then you will see it replies to me like this, that thank you smart user, you have selected VIP access, number of tickets as 4. Your booking request has been received successfully. Our team will contact you shortly to confirm your ticket. As you can see that the bot has smartly mentioned my name, exactly same that I have given, ticket type that I have selected from the list as VIP access, and the number of tickets as 4. So yes, this is the exact automated WhatsApp chatbot we are going to build today without writing a single line of code, using an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool named as Pabbly Chatflow. See, this is one of the best tools that I have ever used. With the help of this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot, automate conversation, create an AI assistant, and many more. But in this tutorial, our main focus is to create a WhatsApp chatbot, so I will explain about that only. Now, without wasting any time, let's start building this chatbot step by step. At first, open a new tab and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/chatflow, and you will come on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you will see 2 options, sign in and sign up free. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. But before doing the sign in process, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of automated WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this is one of the best tools that I have ever used. You won't regret it after purchasing it. Now, after doing the sign in process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. Now, the first and the most important step is adding your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. See, we have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. I have shared the link of the video in the description below. You can check it out. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flows feature. See, this is the Pabbly Chatflow flow builder page. Here you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I will click on this plus add flow button. See, this is the starting point of creating your flow, but at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am entering my flow name as build a smart WhatsApp booking bot for any business step by step. And I want you to know that in this tutorial, I am designing a WhatsApp chatbot for event ticket booking, just a dummy example. But whether you run a real estate, service-based, or any other business, you can customize the same chatbot for that too. The logic will be the same. Now, in this page, you will see 2 options. The one is active and active toggle. With the help of this toggle, your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will becomes inactive and it will not work. And another one is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be saved and updated. On the left hand side, you will see 2 options, messages and actions. Under these options, you will see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Now let's get started. At first, you have to select the trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. I am creating my trigger event as template selected, but you can choose anyone from here. After selecting the template, I'm clicking on this choose template button and selecting this template, that is event update. I have already designed this template before. If you want to create a template, then you will go in this template feature that are present here. See, this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp template for your different type of users. It is a predefined messages that were used to easy access and scale communication. In simple terms, templates are used for those type of conversation that was started by your site. For creating a new template, you have to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. I have shared the link of the video in the description below. You can check it out. So these are some templates that I have already designed before by the name of event update, stock back alert, real estate properties, and many more. Now we will go back to our flow. After selecting the template, here you will see this template includes two quick options, that is show details and book now. So if the users wants to view the details about this event, then the bot will share them the information. So for that, I am clicking on this circle, dragging a line and selecting the content type as text button. You can also get this text button from here too. Now at first, I am entering the details about the event in this enter message box. Here I have entered, and the next button is book now. If the users wants to book a ticket, then they will click on this book now button. Then the bot will share them the list of types of tickets just like this. So for setting up this message, I am adding one list button from here, and you will see this list button is divided in three parts, name is header, body and footer, where in this case I am not writing any header or footer, so I am leaving these blank, but you can enter it if you want to. I am directly writing a message content in this enter body box as please select the ticket type you'd like to purchase. After that, I'm clicking on this H section button and entering a section title as ticket types. Moving forward, I want to add list of types of tickets. So for that, I will click on this plus add items button 3 times. Here I am adding only 3 types of tickets, but you can add more. The process of adding items in the list will be the same. Here I have added as general admission, VIP access and group pack, including its pricing too. So I added this by my choice. You can customize it completely based on your own needs. After that, I'm linking this circle which I present in front of book now to this list node. See, connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now when the user will select the ticket type that they want to purchase, then my bot will reply to them. But before that, I am going to the setup of custom field tag. So for that, I'm clicking on this actions option and adding button is set custom field. After that, I'm selecting the contact custom field as ticket type, and in this enter value box, I'm going to write this, that is general admission, because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this ticket type. That's why I am linking this to this. Now I am going to explain you why we use this contact custom field node here and from where you can create this contact custom field. But before switching to the another tab, you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. Now for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. I am opening this in a new tab. See, this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing a contact details like name, ticket types, emails, quantity, etc. In simple terms, contact custom fields makes it a dynamic completely based on the user input. When you scroll down, you will see one option is there by the name of plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to enter the contact custom field and also write the description in this field description box. After that, you just have to click on the save button. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of ticket type, so I am not creating more. Now we will go back to our flow. Here I set this contact custom field not specifically for this ticket type. Now I am going to do the setup of 2 more contact custom field not for each of these ticket types. Here I have added, as you can see, that I use the same contact custom field in each of these nodes as a ticket type, but only change the value completely based on the input that I have entered in this enter title box. You also have to make sure that the input you have entered in this enter title box is the same you have to write in this enter value box. At the end, this will help your bot to provide customized message to your users completely based on their selected choice, just like this. Now, when the user will select the ticket type that they want to purchase, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to share their full name. So for that, I am adding one ask a question button from here and entering a question in this enter message box. As first, may I have your full name please? For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as full name. And the format is text, as name should always in the format of text. Next, the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times you give retry attempts to your user for answering this question. You can also increase the number of attempts, but make sure that whenever you increase the number of attempts, you have to write the validation message in this enter message box. For example, here I have selected the format as text, but user will reply to the bot in the format of number. Then in those type of cases, you can enter the validation messages this that please share the name in the correct form. Here in this case, I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that, I am connecting all these three contact custom field not circle to this question box. Now, when the user will share their full name, then bot will ask them to send their email address and the tickets quantity. So for that, I am doing the same that I have done here, means I am adding 2 more questions in this flow. The process of adding questions in the flow will be the same. Here I have added where in this question box I write that great. Now please share your email address to proceed with the booking. For that, I have clicked the contact custom field as email and the format as email. Number of attempts I'll give as 0. Lastly, in this question box, I ask my user to share the number of tickets. For that, I have clicked the contact custom field as quantity and the format as any. Now, when all these communication will done, then at last my bot will provide one summary message to the users that dynamically includes all their selected inputs. So for that, I am clicking on this messages option and adding button is text button by dragging this box here. After that, I am entering the respond message in this enter message box as thank you with $symbol full name with $symbol ticket type quantity. Your booking request has been received. Our team will contact with you shortly. As you can see that I have used the $symbol in some fields because with the help of this symbol, the bot will reply to the user dynamically as it is a contact custom field symbol here. In this step, whenever the user will share their full name, then automatically with the help of this contact custom field not full name, the bot will capture the user's provided response and mention their name in this place, just like this, as it is mentioned the smart user here. It is only made possible with the help of this contact custom field not and this $symbol. In simple words, contact custom fields makes data dynamic completely based on the user input. Now our flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be saved and updated. If you face some difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. And I want to share one amazing secret with you guys that you can send this templates to hundreds or even thousands of your contacts at the same time. So for sending it, you can use this broadcast feature that are present inside Pabbly Chatflow. This is the amazing feature for sending a bulk updates without getting banned. So if you want me to create a separate tutorial of how you can broadcast this template message to thousands of contacts, then comment it. I will create a separate video for that too. This automated WhatsApp chatbot will give replies to your users in real time like this without you touching your phone. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. This is exclusively for my viewers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.